everything is joined together with these push buttons. Okay, and there's pretty many pieces. One thing I did last year, because I mean right on your fingertips they get pretty sore, so I just made a little collar that slides over and you push it in, and I'll show you how that goes. I don't know what gauge metal this is. It's just some little galvanized stuff that I had, but you just simply just cut a little piece out of that. We're going to have to go over the collar. That collar, but big enough to go over the nubbins. What I would call these nubbins. Just squeezing in, you want to make it a little bit shorter. This really saves your fingertips. Round that up just a little bit on the outside edges. And when you take them in, then you push like that. It's a whole lot easier than going like this every time. Okay. So first of all, you just get on there and get to the edge, because you're going to be right to the edge where those things want to slide in, and just let it slide back with it. It goes right on every time. It works great, and it will save your fingers.